K2.
K2.
Where is K2?
K2.
K2.
Where is K2?
Where is K2? Where is K2?
K2.
We landed to a renowned but unknown airport, Islamabad International Airport. We took one of the world's scenic flight between Islamabad and Skardu. This 45 minutes flight was memorable as seeing all 8,000 m+ peaks of Pakistan. We landed to the land of peace, Skardu, Baltistan. Our adventure starts in Skardu, the gateway to this incredible trek. As we ascend into the mountains, get ready for a wild ride through diverse landscapes, ranging from lush valleys to rugged terrains. Hey, adventurers! Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the most thrilling and unforgettable journeys from around the globe. Today, get ready to join us on an extraordinary escapade as we explore the majestic K2 base camp trek in Pakistan. Trust us, this adventure will leave you breathless in more ways than one. Ladies and gentlemen, let the adventure begin. Pakistan's K2 base camp trek is not your average hike. It's a life-altering expedition for those seeking adrenaline and natural beauty. You'll embark on a breathtaking journey through the Karakoram mountains, witnessing sights that will forever be etched in your memory. But don't worry, we're here to guide you every step of the way. Along the trek, you'll get to meet and interact with the warm-hearted locals who call these mountains home. Their captivating stories and rich cultural heritage will undoubtedly add depth and meaning to your experience, making it truly unforgettable. Now, let's talk about the ultimate highlight of this adventure, the magnificent K2 base camp itself. Standing at an awe-inspiring altitude of 4,691 meters, reaching this destination is no easy feat, but trust us, the reward is beyond your wildest dreams. Can you believe it? Here we are, standing on the footsteps of the world's second highest mountain, gazing at its majestic peak piercing the heavens. The towering K2 commands attention, leaving all who witness it in absolute awe. It's a sight that will humble even the most seasoned adventurers. Of course, it's not just about reaching the base camp. Along the way, you'll face thrilling challenges, crossing treacherous icy rivers and trekking through snow-covered valleys. But fear not, the adrenaline rush will keep you going, and the striking beauty around every corner will leave you spellbound. Did I mention the delightful Pakistan?
I've been to Concordia this August with 4 British trekkers from UK, Mr. Baron, Mr. David, Mr. Steve, and Mr. Darren. So we together went to Concordia and we had a great experience throughout the trek. We had organized 2 choppers to get back to Skardu. It is a remarkable and magnificent flight from Concordia to Skardu, and we had a great experience throughout this adventure. So there was a news in Pakistan newspapers through some reporters that these people have been rescued from Concordia, but that is totally fake and irresponsible reporting statements from those reporters. So the trekkers been to Concordia and they decided themselves to avoid the long distance to go back from the same route. So they decided to go through a chopper service. So they booked chopper and get back to Skardu on their own behalf. So everything was fine and very well in a good condition, everyone. So the report and the newspaper news was totally fake and irresponsible statement from the newspapers. Thank you.